Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 7 of the 22 management class A. Here we will present and explain about customer protection in the business law course. The first member of Hello Taskia, and the second member Yustia, third member Melissa Alivia, and the last one Nisha Nuraini. Here I will explain the meaning of consumer protection. Understanding consumer protection. Understanding customer protection according to A. Z. Nasution explained that the two terms are different, namely that customer protection law is part of consumer law. Consumer law in the wall of principle and rules that regulation relationship and problem between various parties with each other relate to consumer good and service in the association of life. While consumer protection law is defined as the whole principle and legal rules that govern and protect consumer in their relationship and problem with provider of consumer goods and or service. Okay, then here is my colleague Melissa Alivia, who will read the next slide.
My name is Melissa Alivia with NPM 224110006. This point, customer protection. Based on the customer protection law expressly states that customer rights are as follows. Point 1. The right to security, comfort, and safety in consuming goods and service. Next, the right to cost and obtain goods in accordance with the exchange rate, conditions, and guarantees promised. 3. The right to true, clear, and honest information about the conditions and guarantees of goods or service. 4. The right to be heard complaints about the goods used. 5. The right to customer coaching and education. 6. The right to be treated honestly without discrimination. 7. The right to obtain compensation for compensation or replacement of goods if the goods are not suitable and not as they should be. And the last are the rights stipulated and other laws and regulations.
My name is Yostia with NPM 224110032. I want to explain various customer interests. According to Ali Mansur, customer interests can be divided into four. The types of interests are as follows. Number 1 is physical interest. Physical interest related to bodies or bodies related to the security and safety of body and soul in the use of goods and or service. Number 2 is social and environmental interests. The social and environmental interests of customer are the realization of customer desires, to obtain optimal result from the ask of result. Their economic result in obtaining goods and services that are necessities of life. So customers need current information about the product they consume, because otherwise there will be social turmoil if customers consume unsafe product. Economic interest. The economic interest of business actors to get good profit as much as possible in something natural, but customer purchasing power is also, it must be considered in the sense that business actors do not think about profit alone, with you detailing the real cost of production of product that generate it. Number 4 is legal protection interest. The legal interest of customer is access to justice. Customer have the right to be protected from adverse business actors treatment. Customer protection objective. According to Article 3 of Law Number 8 of 2999, the purpose of protection these are: number 1 is increase customer awareness, ability and independence to protect themselves. Number 2 is elevating the dignity of customer by means of avoid it from the negative excesses of the ask of goods and our service. Number 3 is increase customer empowerment in causing, determining, and demanding their right as customers. Number 4 is creating a customer protection system that contains elements of legal certainty and information disclosure, as well as access to information. Number 5 is raising awareness of business actors about the importance of this protection, foster and harness and responsible attitude in trying. Number 6 is improve the quality of goods and service that guarantee business continuity of production of goods and or service, health, comfort, security, and safety of customer.
Okay, my name is Nisha Nuraini with NPM 224111016. Okay, may discuss customer application. Customer application are explained namely to read and follow the instruction for the use or utilization of goods, and or for safety and pay for goods and or service in accordance with the exchange rate. And this customer obligation is affirmed and regulation in Article 5 of the Customer Protection Law, which read, okay, A. Read or follow information, instruction, and products for the use or utilization of goods or service for security and safety. B. Good faith in making transaction for the purchase of good or service. C. Pay according to the agreed exchange rate. D. Follow effort to properly resolve customer protection dispute. Next, business actor. According to law number 9 of 1919 concerning customer protection, a business actor is any individual or business entity adhere in the form of a legal entity established domicile or carrying out activities in the jurisdiction of the Republic of Indonesia. It adhere alone or jointly through agreement to carry out business activities in various economic fields. The definition of this business actor is stated in Article 1 of the Customer Protection Law. Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.